Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that want to stop sharing their location indefinitely. That's right, you accidentally drop the pin on someone and you're like, hey, this is where I am, and you, instead of clicking the temporary moment, you click the indefinitely. So you have until the end of the day for 1 hour, and I did something like this. And I said, here I am. And I'm like, oh no, how do I undo that? Now they know where you are forever. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's get you out of that predicament so that you can be incognito. You're gonna just get out of the chat settings, and you're gonna go into the regular settings of your phone and look for the privacy and security, a little hand gesture that looks like that. There it is right there. And then you're going to select location services. And then from location services, you're going to select share my location. And you see there's Ed right there. And we're going to select Ed. We're going to scroll up a little bit. Stop sharing my location. You don't get any notification. You just press to stop. And then as soon as it disappears, if you go back, Ed is gone. And now if we go back into the chat, we should see it was removed. Kind of neat, huh? Now you, wherever you are is where you are. Only you know. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. Hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And we'll see you all next time.